Good morning, students. Today we will start with our second chapter, which is uses of a computer. Previously, we have learned about the computer as machine. In this chapter, we will learn about its uses. Previously, we have learned that different types of machines do different types of work. Like a washing machine washes our dirty clothes, a fridge keeps our food item fresh. Similarly, computer is a useful machine. It is used for doing so many tasks like typing a letters, listening to music, drawing and painting and many other things. It make our work easier as it can solve difficult calculation easily. Let us see computer uses. Our first use of computer is that it can be used for drawing and coloring pictures. We can draw pictures on the computer. We can also color them by using a mouse. Next, we can play games on our computer. We can play various games on computer like Mario, Contra, PUBG using mouse and keys. Next is reading poems and stories. We can read stories and poems on the computer by pressing keys on the keyboard. Next use is playing music. We can also play music, songs and movies on our computer. Computer can be used for solving sums. We can do sums and some other calculation on the computer. It can solve difficult problem easily within a second, therefore it saves our time. We can also use a computer for writing letters. We can also send letters through email. We can also write stories on a computer. We can also use internet on a computer. This is one of the greatest advantage of using a computer. You can visit various locations that are available on the internet for entertainment and knowledge. You can use internet for online studies. You can also connect to people at different places. Sending emails. You can send out emails through computers to people somewhere else, provided we have stable internet connection. This is similar to sending letters except that it takes a few seconds only. Storing your work. Anything we learn, we keep it in mind. Similarly, a computer stores your work in its hard disk. For example, we can store movies, presentations, songs, and many other things. Computers are found everywhere. The various places where we find computers are at shopping malls for making bills. Students, you must have seen computers at the billing counters of your nearest malls and shops. We also find computers in hospitals for monitoring the health of patients and also keeping their records. Computers are also present in banks for keeping the accounts of the customers. It makes work easy and saves time. Students, you have seen computers in your own school. It helps in teaching and learning of various subjects. Computers are also used to maintain records of students. Computers are also present in the library to keep a record of the books. They are also used to issue the books. Nowadays, computers are highly used for making frames, recordings, animations. All the animation work you see in cartoons on TV are done on a computer. Computers are also used in offices for maintaining records of the people and their work. It helps in keeping the records of the entries in companies and offices. It is used to save official data of the companies. Computers are also used in railways for reservations. You can also book tickets using the computer at home or cafe. Online booking is very common these days. Computers are also used at airports for booking and checking of air tickets. They are also used in keeping the records of the passengers and the working staff. Computers are used in the printing press, like the book you are reading is published using computers. Magazines, newspapers, banners, pamphlets, and many other things are typed and printed using computers. So basically, in a nutshell, computer is very useful and is found in various fields. It makes our work easy and save time. So student, with this we have completed our second chapter. Question and answers of this chapter will be provided to you. Note them in your notebooks. So study well. Thank you.